Our second song is called Ebenezer Sneezer. And instead of using the big wrist motions that we used in engine number 9, we're going to use little short tapping motions. One note for each syllable, but a flexible wrist, not heavy, but very light tapping on each key. So we're going to begin, instead of the black keys, we're going to be on the white. And you're going to start at the white that's just a little bit lower than where we were for our first song. So you can make that 1-3 donut shape, and you're going to tap Ebenezer Sneezer, move up one key, topsy-turvy man, move up a key, walks on his elbows. That's the trickiest one. Walk is longer than the other one. Walks on his elbows, move up a step, every time he can, move up, dresses up in paper, move up, every time it pours, move up, whistles Yankee Doodle, move up, even when he snores. Now we're going to go down one syllable per each key. So repeat the C. Oh, Ebenezer, what a man. And you will end up where you began. So everything else, one note per line. Ebenezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks on his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time he pours, whistles Yankee Doodle, even when he snores. Oh, Ebenezer, what a man. Excuse me. Try not to have them just have them say the word so that there's one tap for each syllable.